torrential rainfall and devastating floods that began in the southeastern Brazilian state of Minas Gerais have turned into a major humanitarian disaster. When nature unleashes its fury, these moments captured on camera leave us absolutely stunned. But beyond the spectacle, these events are truly heartbreaking for everyone involved.
Gente do céu, os carros novos da Hyundai, os vidros estão estourando. Todos os vidros aqui estourando. Isso aqui tudo é carro novo. Olha só. Olha se tem base para isso.
Let's take a closer look at how this unfolded and see what the aftermath looked like. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Muddy brown floodwaters are sweeping away vehicles like toys, showing how quickly the situation has spiraled out of control. More than 180 millimeters of rain fell within just 4 hours, dramatically worsening the situation. February of this year has already been recorded as the wettest month in the region's history. During the night, as intense rainfall continued, many residents were asleep inside their homes. Rivers suddenly overflowed, sending floodwaters rushing into neighborhoods and burying entire areas under mud and debris before people had time to react. Severe landslides have caused widespread destruction in southeastern Brazil, particularly in the state of Minas Gerais. At least 36 deaths have been confirmed, especially in the cities of Juiz de Fora and Ubá. Around 40 people are currently reported missing. Rescuers are making every possible effort to find survivors trapped beneath the debris, while anxious families wait in hope of being reunited with their loved ones. The hardest hit area is the municipality of Juiz de Fora, where 18 bodies have been recovered so far. In the nearby city of Ubá, at least 7 more deaths have been reported. Mayor Margarita Salomão described the situation as the saddest day of her administration. Authorities are working urgently to stabilize the situation. In the face of this devastating natural disaster, the government's main priority is to save lives, support displaced residents, and restore essential services. Search teams, along with sniffer dogs, are desperately continuing rescue operations, working through thick mud and debris. Massive landslides in mountainous areas have completely destroyed 12 homes. Authorities have confirmed that at least 20 landslide incidents have occurred. Some areas have become completely cut off, severely hampering rescue efforts. The region's mountainous terrain and steep slopes make it highly vulnerable to slope failures during the summer rainy season. protect lives and accelerate rescue operations, a state of disaster has been declared in Juiz de Fora. More than 130 specialized officers have been deployed to the worst affected areas to carry out high-risk recovery operations. According to the state's Civil Defense and Fire Service, over 3,000 residents have been evacuated, and due to the ongoing risk of landslides, many homes are considered too dangerous for residents to return to. Local and federal authorities are also planning reconstruction efforts. However, ongoing rainfall forecasts for the coming days are severely hampering rescue efforts.